greater mind does not bargain. It does not bend or plead. It moves with quiet certainty, answering law, not need. There is no anger in its action, no favor to be won, no prayer that alters principle, no race that must be run. What feels like being chosen is simply knowing where to stand, understanding the connection to the source that always acts. When unity becomes awareness, supply begins to flow, not because rules were broken, but because the Lord is known. Health rises from alignment, strength returns to view, wealth appears as understanding of what is always true. I do not ask for exception. I recognize my place. Unity opens access to the power I embrace.